Good afternoon, students. This is your physical education period of class 6. Dear student, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, sexual abuse. I think you can understand the meaning of the sexual abuse. Sexual abuse means that type of act which you don't like. If any person touch you, if you don't want to that person don't touch you, that is the sexual abuse. You have to know very well about the good touch and bad touch. This is related to that. Okay. Sexual abuse is an act of sexual behavior by a person forced upon another person against his or her will. A person can sexually abuse someone by forcing, tricking or threatening another person just for his or her pleasure. मीन कि सेक्सुअल एब्यूज जो है एक सेक्सुअल बिहेवियर एक्ट है जो कि किसी पर्सन के द्वारा कोई पर्सन किसी दूसरे पर्सन को फोर्स करता है विदाउट हिज और हर, चाहे बॉय हो या गर्ल हो, उसके विल, उसकी इच्छा के बिना जो कोई किसी चीज़ के लिए किसी को फोर्स किया जाए। मीन्स कि कोई कह रहा है कि हाँ चल मेरे साथ घूमने चले, अगर मेरी इच्छा नहीं है कि हमें घूमने जाना है या नहीं जाना है, हाँ, that is the sexual abuse. A person can sexually abuse sometime by forcing, tricking and threatening another person just for his or her. अगर कोई आपको फोर्स करता है ट्रिकिंग के लिए, थ्रेटनिंग के लिए अनदर पर्सन सिर्फ अपने प्लेजर के लिए, तो ये भी एक दिस इज द वन टाइप ऑफ सेक्सुअल अब्यूज. द फॉलोइंग एक्ट एमंग अदर आर considered sexual abuse. You can see showing on private part to others, trying to see or touching others' private body parts, showing or sharing sexual photos or videos, rubbing one's body against another person which makes that person feel uncomfortable, kissing a person against his or her will, forcing another person to have sex, making any such gesture or action that is the uncomfortable to make to the other person. Okay, you all are the you all understand what is the meaning of this point. Okay, you can understand. Now I am going to tell you about the small ways to keep yourself safe, कि आप अपने आप को कैसे सेफ रख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज बॉडी. You own your body. No one is allowed to touch inappropriately. Strictly say no when you don't like someone's touch. Okay, कि जब आपको कोई आपको टच करता है, आपको नहीं पसंद है, आप यू कैन से स्ट्रिक्टली नो. सेकेंड इज गिफ्ट्स एंड फेवर्स. रिसीविंग गिफ्ट इज अ प्लेजर, गेटिंग अ फेवर is a fortune. However, if someone break the touching rules in return of her or his gift, shout out with a no. मीन्स कि आपको जो गिफ्ट है कोई देता है तो अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन कोई आपका टचिंग रूल ब्रेक करता है तो क्या वो गिफ्ट दे के क्या आपको कुछ टच करता है, आपको टचिंग रूल ब्रेक करता है, तो उसका आप तुरंत इमीडिएटली यू हैव टू रिटर्न हर हिज और हर गिफ्ट एंड से नो विथ अ शाउट. एक फिर नेक्स्ट है सेल्फ डिफेंस स्किल. ओके, लर्न एट लीस्ट वन सेल्फ डिफेंस स्किल टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ इन द टाइम ऑफ नीड. यू कैन लर्न द taekwondo, karate, wushu, kung fu, judo. There are many art you can learn for your self defense. Today is the time that you have to learn any art of this for your protection. This is the demand of today's time. Next है secrets. If someone breaks the touching rule and asks you to keep secrets, realize that it is not at all normal or okay. Tell a trusted adult about if anyone touch you and he says don't tell it anyone, keep it secret, then it is not a normal thing. You have you don't trusted about him and tell this the कि anyone adult trusted people कि that person touch you and tell you don't tell it anyone. Okay student, this is for the today. In the next class I will complete it. Have a nice day.